Namaskar. Today we will be knowing about the natural form of a room cleaner. Normally we use a room cleaner all toxic thing. Toxic in the sense chemicals. Now we have lot of kitchen waste. Right in the kitchen waste itself, we can do many things. For example, few things are only required. Citrus fruits like lemon, you can see lemon, this is a lemon, or any type of oranges. Okay, this is the yeast, you can see the yeast here. Okay, and little bit jaggery, and a empty of can which is visible, and a water, 3/4 water. Here 1:2:3. That is the way the system runs. Now this lemon, here we can take it out the juice, we can keep it in the fridge or natural way and use it for our daily purpose. Now it's a very simple how it is done room cleaner. Now you can put all this lemon or citrus one inside water. You can see it inside this water. Go down, it will push it, it will go away. Also you can put this jaggery, which is for purely a fermentation, it comes. And also yeast, which is available in the market. This is for getting froth. Here I am putting it and mix it. Now if you don't put the fermentation, it takes 3 months. If you put the fermentation, it takes 2 months. For example, you are making it today. Exactly after 2 months, you can do it. Now, you can close it with the lid. Now you can close it with the lid here, like this, and tighten it. For next 2 weeks, you have to open little bit every day and release the gas and close it. After 2 weeks, exactly after 2 months, this liquid is ready. Now, before that, you can write it here, the month. The month will be here. You can write it, whichever day you are doing it. And exactly after 2 months, if you add these 3, it becomes like this. Now, in the cleaning material, when you do the mopping, you can put little bit of this, how it looks. A small cup like this, and you can mix it with that water. Then you can do the swapping, and the room is, if you want, you can put the little salt also. The room is fully clean. It's a natural way of living. Thank you. Namaskar.